So hi, it's Jerry with I Love RV Life, and here we are at Frogtown Vineyards. Oh my gosh, this place is beautiful. I can't wait to show you the inside and the outside. And then just above and beyond that, the wines are incredible. So let's go inside and let me show you this place. Joan and I are here on a Friday, but one of the things that's interesting is just all the outdoor areas they have here for just the overflow. They've got these little pavilions all over the place, and you'll see there's the main entrance going in, but there's one of the pavilions in the background. This is really a cool place. I'm really liking some Frogtown. Isn't this amazing? This is the entrance here. And look at the koi pond. Isn't this cool? How neat. Look at them all. So neat. Everywhere. This is the dining area here at Frogtown. It's just absolutely pretty. They do, I guess you could call it an Italian bistro, but they have downstairs dining. You can see out back. I'm going to take you out back here in just a moment. And then you can dine up in the balcony. Look at this post and beam structure here. Is this really something? Beautiful. The post and beam structure here, I think I shared that with you earlier. Just look at this. Oh man, is this something? Beautiful. And then this is a wraparound tasting area they have here. Just some kind of pretty inside. You kind of get it from both inside and outside with the vineyard, and there's this absolutely beautiful building. And we're out here a little bit later in the afternoon. They're getting close to closing time here, and they'll be opening up the restaurant. Again, I think I shared earlier they had an Italian bistro here. But this is where they have lunch, sandwiches, etc. But the view, my gosh, is that something? Beautiful, beautiful place. I'm going to turn around here, and would you look at the size of this vineyard? And then off in the distance there, I don't think I can zoom in on it, is Mount Yonah. Look at this vineyard. Is that incredible? Let's see if I can get down a little bit of a close-up. It's a little sitting area that people are just out here and enjoying their wines. Amazing. What a beautiful, beautiful place. Really something. Wow. It just blows me away that these vineyards are up here in North Georgia. Just an absolute hidden treasure. You'll see the truck over there, but it's just impossible just to show you the vastness of this. I think this vineyard's over 20 years old. And Ted was our vintner in there was just sharing how many awards they've had over there, but big Mount Yonah in the background, and it just goes on and on. What a beautiful, beautiful vineyard. So much fun. What a great day. So Joan and I have had just an absolute blast here at Frogtown Vineyards. The wines are just fantastic. Matter of fact, we've been on tours in this wonderful Wine Wednesday, and we have not had a bad wine anywhere in the 3 vineyards that we visited today. They're just absolutely spectacular. And Frogtown was the last of today. Just an absolute blast, a fantastic finish. They're getting ready to close down. It's 5 o'clock, and then they're going to open up their Italian bistro at 5:30 for dinner tonight. Well, we're not going to be able to attend that. Look at the background here. I've shown you so many of the sites. I know these are very quick tours, just really to give you an idea of just what's available here in North Georgia. They're fun, and they're friendly, and they're social. Just a blast. Just another reason why Joan and I just love RV life.